Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names. The first one is a camel.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
This is a camel.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
The next animal is a rabbit.
Here, there, everywhere.
This is a rabbit.
Farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The next animal is a horse.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
This is a
And
horse.
on his farm he had a
The next animal is
with a
a lion.
there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The next animal is a sheep. This is a sheep.
Farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his
The
farm
next
he
animal
had a
is
farm, E-I-E-I-O.
a panda.
With a
This is
here
a
and
panda.
there, here,